Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Be Technical. In this session we are going to learn our next tool, that is shaft, from the sketch based features toolbar. So when I click on the shaft tool, you can see here one dialog box appears. It shows here that the basic requirement for this tool is one profile or surface, and secondly the axis around which we want to revolve that profile or surface. So let's get started with this session. I will select YZ axis. Now let's sketch. I'm drawing one random profile. So our profile is ready. We'll start with the tool. I'm selecting the tool. Now here firstly it is asking me to select the profile. So I will select the profile. Now it is asking me to select the axis. So firstly I will show you by selecting the vertical axis. So I'm selecting the axis. Now you can see here a profile got rotated around that axis. Now if you go and click on the preview button, you will get the solid preview. You can see here. Now some more options are available here in this dialog box. So first comes the limits, first angle and second angle. As you can see here, first angle, here it is 360 degree. So it is rotating in total 360 degree. Now suppose I am changing it here as 300 degree. Now if you go and see the preview, you can see here it only rotates up to 300 degree. Now second angle I will give it as 45 degree. See what it does. It has started rotating from here and it is ending here. So now as I change the value, you will see the difference there. If I make this 0 again, you will see the previous result. First angle gets counted in this direction, and now second angle will be in the opposite direction. So if I select 30 degree here and 30 degree this side, so you will get symmetrical rotation of 30 degree upper side and 30 degree this side. So you can manage the rotation. I will show you one more example for the revolve command. For this I will take one open sketch now, or open profile you can say. So I'm taking one sketch here. I've drawn it randomly. So we have our profile ready here, and I will use my vertical axis again for the rotation. So let's select the tool. Now I'm selecting the profile and selecting the axis. Now you get an error here called the selected sketch has to be closed or to be closed by the axis. So to revolve the open profile, you have one option called thick profile. So when you check on the click box and now you click on the preview, it is showing us the result. So now here you get some more options called thin shaft, the thickness 1 and thickness 2. So when you increase this thickness, suppose I am giving the value as 5, you can see here it is giving us thickness on only one side of the profile. See, this is a profile and it is giving us thickness only on the one side. So now thickness 2 if we also increase thickness to preview, so you can see it is giving us thickness of 2 mm inside and of 5 mm outside. So if you want to control it equally, you also have here one option called as neutral fiber. When you on this, you don't have to give two values, you just give any one value and it will thicken equally on both sides. Now we have seen how to use shaft tool to shaft or revolve open profiles as well as closed profiles. Now you can see here I have taken one cylindrical part and I have also drawn one open profile. Now you will see one difference in operating the shaft tool. So let's start. I'm selecting the tool, I'm selecting the profile, and now I'm selecting the axis. So you can see here after preview, I had drawn only this much of the part of the sketch. But because we had already had one part body in the center, it has merged its ends and it has extended till the cylinder. Inversely, as we have seen earlier, when we thicken this part, you can see here we have got an open profile. As we had seen earlier for the open profile, we have got the same result here. But in this case also, if we want only the thickened cylinder and we want these edges to extend till the center cylinder, then we have an option called here the merged ends. So when we on this option, you can see here it has already shown us a preview. I will click on the preview. You can see here we got extended ends up to the inner cylinder. I will show you the cross section. You can see here the profile got thickened and it got extended up to the inner cylinder. You can also use this tool in this way. So guys, we are done with this session. If you have any doubts, leave a comment below. I have given some practice example links in the description box below. Do check them out. Hope they will be useful. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications.